This is how we check for vacuum leaks without spending $150 fucking at the mechanic. The glove's inflating, so that indicates we got a pretty good vacuum. Once I fill it up with smoke, I'm gonna look around my flashlight, check all the hoses and gaskets, make sure I can't find anything obvious. But so far, looking pretty good. All right. So, if we do have a vacuum leak right around the manifold gasket, is a decent place to start. And the escaping smoke should be pretty obvious. Not sure if there's anything back here. Well, not seeing anything super obvious, so I'm gonna move on with my troubleshooting and assume no vacuum leaks, or a vacuum leak so small there's really nothing to be done with it at the moment.